Domain and range of linear functions. Okay, so first I will tell you what the linear functions look like. So for every linear function, the function which has a form f of x equals to ax plus b, right? This type of function is a linear function as long as your a should not be equals to 0. Right, a is basically the coefficient of x. When x coefficient is not equals to 0, then your function is a linear function, or we can also say that it is a polynomial of degree 1, right? Okay, so for every linear function, it has a domain, all real numbers, and range, all real numbers, right? For example, if I have a function f of x 3x minus 5, it is a linear function. F of x 2 equals to 2x, this is a linear function. F of x is 1 minus 9x, this is a linear function. You can see here all these functions, the x coefficient is non-zero, right? So whenever you have a linear function, no need to figure out their domains or their ranges. You just need to write down the domain of these linear functions is all real numbers. Keep it in mind that the domain deals with the x values, right? So x belongs to all real numbers, and the range deals with the y values. Y belongs to all real numbers. Okay. So for every linear function, domain and range is set of all real numbers. Keep that in mind. I hope you understand it, how to figure out the domain and range of the linear function, which is just a set of all real numbers. If you still have any queries in it, you can ask me in the comment section. Inshallah, in the next video, I will teach you the domain and range of the quadratic functions.